In 2015, before it reached Saltaire, the flooding river Aire was squeezed under the Seven Arches viaduct at Hirst Wood. A footbridge that crossed a mill goit there was washed away and local people replaced it with stepping stones, but effectively slowed the goit's flow. So in 2021, the Aire Rivers Trust, Wild Trout Trust, Hirst Wood Regeneration Project and Saltaire anglers collaborated to remove the stepping stones and put two new bridges back across the goit.
In the past, in the summer, any fry that got washed into this goit when the river was flooded, the water eventually, when it gets hot, becomes stagnant and a lot of them would perish. Well, now this is connected back to the river, these fry can move in and out and hopefully they'll all survive.
This is a wonderful project. It's great to see it come to fruition. It's been the product of different community groups working together.
It's all come together so quickly as this, over 18 months. The funding, the work, the whole thing. It's amazing how the people and all the groups have worked together and been so successful at producing this wonderful achievement.
Really nice to see that a fisheries improvement such as this of these goit has resulted in a couple of bridges arriving due to community involvement elsewhere.
Great to see this new bridge here. I love coming down to the woods with my kids and love getting across and playing and seeing all the birds and the wildlife. It'd be fantastic for them to be able to get back across here since this bridge was washed away in the 2015 floods.
I'm so happy about these two bridges. They're a fantastic community resource and they're going to benefit local people for decades to come.